Hey guys, I just want to do a quick review for you on this General Hydroponics pH down. Um, I use this stuff all the time for my indoor plants and it works great, and I can tell you just a little bit of it goes a really long way. So I'll give you a quick demonstration on this bucket of water here and my digital meter. So you can see where I'm at now. So 6.7 is my pH level. So let me show you just a little drop. This stuff goes a really long way, like I said. I'm just going to put that one drop, and I'll use this and stir it up in here. And it dropped me down to, I'm at a 6.3 now. So, like I said, it works really well, goes a long way. If you are growing indoors and want to manage your water and you have a high pH, this is definitely a good thing to do. I highly recommend it.